Hello world, here's Biddy, your Bitcoin trading informant, your ADA Cardano trading informant. We will check what's going on with ADA today. Maybe we will see a big breakout to the upside or to the downside. Where are the big targets? We will check this now. Let's go. System activated. And you can see ADA is going down a little bit in 24 hours, 0.44% in the minus, and it's going up a little bit in the week. So ADA Cardano is going sideways since days, and that's the reason why I'm making this video, because we're going sideways, we are building the next triangle, and it's possible to see a breakout from this triangle to the upside or to the downside. We will see. For the moment, we have a downgoing trend for ADA. We are going down on the bigger time frame. And this is possible to see a breakout to the downside. But if we watch the big trend here, you can see we are going up from this point here to the upside. So on the bigger time frame, we see an upgoing trend for ADA, and we will check now where is the next target if we can break out from this triangle. Guys, it's easy. If we are drawing this triangle, we can set a line from here to here. We can use this line, depends always where we will break out. Maybe we will break out here. We will see maybe the next price about, let me tell you, $2.80. It's here on this point. Here is also a really important Fibonacci line, the 0.786 Fibonacci line at $2.80. So maybe if we can break out here on this point, or maybe here on this point, or maybe here on this point, we have some targets to the upside to watch. The next resistances to the upside, if we can break out, are the Fibonacci lines. This is easy. You can see this yellow line here, 0.382 Fibonacci, is the next big thing, and we can see it. Here we saw a spike to this line, and this was the first try for ADA to catch this line, but we lost the fight. And the bad stuff is, guys, we also lost the fight with this Fibonacci line, the Fibonacci line 0.236 at $2.19. We lost this fight, and we are now down again under this line. So is this now a nice point to buy ADA? Is this now a nice point to buy in here on this point, to set a stop loss under this triangle maybe, and maybe we will see something like this here? It's possible. It's really possible to see something like this here. It's really possible to see a breakout. Guys, it depends also what's going on, everything what's going on with Bitcoin. We need to watch Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin going up to the upside? ADA will follow. For the moment, Bitcoin is going really nice to the upside here a little bit. ADA is following this thing, but not so much as Bitcoin. If you're watching this, you can see ADA is going up in the week 1.5%. Bitcoin is going up in the week 9%. So it's better to trade Bitcoin as ADA. This is one of the things we have to watch for the moment. So once again, guys, can we make a nice buy-in position here? Yes, it's possible to make a buy-in. If you're not bought here on the downside or here on the downside, it's possible to set a next buy-in position here on $2.12, $2.13. It's not the baddest thing to watch this, guys. And if we make a breakdown to the downside, you will make a stop loss and you are out of the trade. This is not financial advice, guys. This is really important. Maybe if we will go down from here, we have also bad things to watch, guys. We have the next thing here. The technical target to the downside is $1.60 maybe. This is the next thing if we will break down of this triangle. Yes, we have a big support here on this point, $1.90. This was the last low here. And if we will go down more and more, $1.57 is the next big thing to watch, guys. This is really interesting for ADA. What we can check again, guys, or what we can check also, sorry, this is this one here. These are the candlestick pattern. If we zoom in a little bit more, we can see here some candlestick pattern. And for the moment, we saw here a flash about a LUS, a lower upper shadow. But for the moment, it's not a lower upper shadow. For the moment, it's nothing. The last things we saw here, this was this pattern here, a spinning top leg, here a spinning top leg. And here we saw on this point a long lower shadow. This is a candle with a long wick to the downside. So maybe these are all positive signs here. Maybe we see a next pump to the upside. Here is no bearish thing we have to watch for the moment, guys. This is really interesting. What's going on with the ribbon band? What is telling us this one? And on the day, the ribbon band is a big resistance. You can see the ribbon band is here. You can see the short signal here, and we are under the ribbon band. So this is absolutely bearish for ADA for the moment. We need to see confirmed closing candles over the ribbon band. If you watch this here, this downgoing price for ADA, you can see we saw spikes to the upside, down again, spikes to the upside, down again, big spike to the upside, down again. Guys, this is now really important, and maybe, as I told you, this is not the baddest thing to buy in here in ADA, Cardano. Okay, this is the ribbon band. Let's go deeper. Let's go into 4-hour time frame. Here we are, 4-hour. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see a lot of stuff. Let's remove this candle. Let's remove the pattern. And you can see now here we are building for the moment higher lows. This is good, guys. As long as we're building higher lows, this is good. If you're building lower lows, we may have a problem here. For the moment, we are building higher lows. But also, we are building lower highs. This is also a thing, guys, we have to watch. And on the 4-hour time frame, you can see we are under the ribbon band. We need a breakout over the ribbon band. For the moment, we are under the ribbon band. We are under this 0.236 Fibonacci $2.19. We have a lot of resistance here for ADA. This is not so nice. Let's check the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, you can see it also. We are under the ribbon band. Short signal here under the ribbon band. And guys, as long as we are under the ribbon band, this is really dangerous for the moment. EMA 200 is here, $2.17, big resistance. Fibonacci is here, $2.19, big resistance. So, guys, a lot of resistance, but maybe you have to buy when it's bleeding. You have to buy when the blood is on the streets. Maybe this is not the baddest thing here to buy ADA, as long as we're building higher lows, guys. Let me check one thing before we end this video. Let me check the RSI, Relative Strength Index. This one is telling us we have too much indicators. Let's remove some here. Let's remove maybe a ribbon band. And let's check the RSI. So, okay, ribbon band. No, we need no ribbon band. What's going on with the RSI? Zoom out a little bit. Let's check this one. And if you're watching the RSI, you can see we are on the middle line, not overbought, not oversold. We are here under this red resistance line, some space to the upside, not so much. So this is not so very important to watch. RSI, in my opinion, is not so important. But guys, let me check one thing before we end this video. Let me check this one. Let me check the parallel channel from the downside to the upside, because this is for the moment our nice parallel channel. And you can see we are still in this parallel channel since days here, since weeks. Are we in this channel? Since 1 month, maybe we are in this channel. So as long as we are in this little uptrend, everything is fine. We need to stay in this uptrend. And guys, it's always the best thing to buy on the bottom of this parallel channel. And then maybe we will see here a leg to the upside to the middle line, down again and up. So always, guys, a lot of guys are asking me, Biddy, is now a good time to buy? Is now a good time to buy? This is maybe not the baddest time to buy ADA, because we are on the bottom of this uptrend and not here on the top of the uptrend. I know it's easy to buy at the top. Everything is mooning. I must buy. But no, guys, you have to buy on the bottom and not on the top. Buy low. Sell maybe here on the middle line, or you are lucky and we are going up here more and more, and sell here on this point. So you can maybe make nice gains with ADA Cardano for the moment. As long as we are breaking out to the upside, this would be really, really nice to watch, guys. So thank you very much for watching, guys. This was a quick update for ADA Cardano. And this is a tip from me, not a financial advice, a tip. Maybe here is not the baddest point to buy in. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings, yours PD. And guys, I need your comments. I need your thumbs. Please tell me if you are thinking about we are going down. If you are thinking about, Biddy, this is nonsense what you're telling me. This is not okay, because so and so and so. Please write it in the comment. I would like to know what you think about this, guys. So thanks for watching. Yours PD, your Bitcoin trading informant.